So let's start with the tutorial. We'll start with painting this tray first. For this we'll use a flat brush like this. You can also use sponge, it is up to you, your choice. And let's start painting it. I've used gray color for the same. We'll cover the entire tray with this. I have painted this completely. The base is completely painted. Now I am covering the sides with the same color. You can use different color or same color, it's up to you, totally your choice and preference or the demand of your client. We'll cover the edges and here everywhere. Okay, you can see we have covered the tray with the color completely from inside. Now we'll paint on the outer surface of the tray. Okay, so I'm starting. I'm using chalk paints from iCraft. Chalk paints work best with MDF and they are very versatile in nature. They can work beautifully on any surface. I have completed painting the tray from all the sides and kept it aside for drying. Now let's paint these coasters so that we can put Insta transfers on that. Since I used a darker tone on the tray, so I've decided that I'll use a white or off-white kind of shade for these coasters. We should always go for the lighter shade when we work with Insta transfer. They give the best results. Let me start painting it. I've used chalk paints again for the same. We'll paint coasters from all sides, okay? Usually chalk paints does not require a second coat, but this being a very light color, it may require a second coat to get the ideal finishing which is needed in artworks. Along with this, we'll start painting the edges also. So we have painted all three, but we need a second coat and this one has dried, so let's do a second coat here. Make sure that while painting you always cover the edges, because if the edges are not colored with the same shade or they are left uncolored, they look very bad. The finishing of the product doesn't come that good. So for this we are good to go. Here we need a second coat. I'm quickly doing it. And the third one. Now since we have completed painting it, let it dry for quick 5 minutes, as chalk paint doesn't take too long to dry up completely, and then we'll transfer the design with our water transfer sheets. Now the coasters are all dried up. We are good to go with the Insta transfers. I have taken my sheet. We'll remove the plastic film. Invert the design on the coaster and press it nicely. Now we'll apply some water. Let's flip it. Sorry, let's remove the see. Similarly, we'll do it here also. We'll remove the plastic film and start applying water. So we applied a decent amount of water here. Now let's slide it. Ta-da! Here are the coasters ready. Now let it dry so that all the air bubbles settle down, and then we'll paste it on the tray and pour the resin over it. Let us now arrange these coasters on the tray. Second one and the third one. Now it is up to you whether you want to do resin over it or not. Okay, if you want, you can just apply a coat of matte varnish over here and use it as it is. And if you want to make it like, you know, scratch proof, then you need to pour the resin. It is completely your choice what you want to do with it. Today we will be pouring a clear resin coat over this so that it is scratch proof and it can be used by anyone and everyone. I've taken a plastic bowl, a stick to mix, and 2:1 ratio resin and hardener. We'll pour the hardener. And the resin. Mix it nicely. And now let's pour the resin over it. You can spread it nicely all over. Resin requires good 12 hours to dry up completely. So once we spread it all over the tray, we'll allow it to rest and cure, and then we'll see the end result. Meanwhile, you can tell me in the comment section that which tutorial next you would want me to upload for you guys. I will be very happy to do that for you. Make sure that resin is evenly spread all over the tray. Resin has spread all over the tray very nicely. We'll just now remove the air bubbles, if any, with using this heat tool. And yes, we are done. Now just let's wait for it to cure so that I can show you the final look, and I can share that how did I finish it. I did give it a finishing touch, like we'll varnish these borders, and if needed we'll sand it and repaint it, just to give it a more premium look, right? So see you.